Hi there. Today, our topic is about a case study, management of discount coupon. Let's discuss from internal control perspective. From a company's perspective, issuing coupon is easy, but there are some criteria that are associated with coupon that management may need to know. The first thing is issue physical coupon or digital coupon in form of QR code. First of all, who are your customers? Are they using apps more often? Or half-half? Some companies are doing both, like supermarket. Using digital coupon, company need to have a sophisticated POS system to cater for QR code, not only capturing, but need authenticated, check for its validity and any usage condition or limitation. For physical coupon, it seems easier. There is no need to have a sophisticated system, but how can you ensure this is a valid coupon? Some theft may print the coupon by themselves and ask for sales discount. Thus, a numbering or barcode is important on the coupon. PS system should at least read the barcode and check for authentication and validity date. If there is no numbering, how can the company control this coupon discount? If a dishonest cashier is the coupon custodian and is responsible to do reconciliation at day end, could use those unnumbered coupon and make sales adjustments. Thus, segregation of duties is important here in these scenarios. Nevertheless, a PS system may need to be customized to cope with discount coupon. It could be justified for bigger companies. For small companies, they may need to handle the issuance and usage manually and check for abnormalities. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about IT general controls. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.